Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, it is now official. Dr. Andrew Holness was sworn in as Prime Minister of Jamaica for a fourth time.
Dr. Holness took the oath of office to the screams of approval from JLP supporters and other Jamaicans who were in attendance at the swearing-in ceremony at King's House.
I, Andrew Michael Holness, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Jamaica, that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities to the people of Jamaica.
It's occasion number 4, Dr. Andrew Holness taking the oath of office to serve as Prime Minister of Jamaica. It's his third consecutive term.
I stand before you deeply humbled and profoundly grateful to accept the people's mandate to once again serve as your one Prime Minister. The elections are over. We must reunite and refocus on the business of the nation. The time has come where we must get over the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat, put aside haughtiness and bitterness, unfold our arms, unclench our fists, retract accusatory fingers, and embrace each other.
One such area that requires partnership is the constitutional reform process. Earlier this year, the opposition paused its participation in the absence of a definitive position on the Caribbean Court of Justice as Jamaica's final court of appeal. The Prime Minister extended the proverbial olive branch to opposition leader Mark Golding.
I extend my hand to the leader of the opposition to create a space for the national interest. Mark, let us partner together to complete the work we started on making Jamaica a republic.
In the meantime, education and training are among the priorities of the government. As the labor force increases productivity, systems will be made more efficient through the use of technology.
We will be pressing ahead with transformational projects to anchor our role as a logistics hub of the region. The Caymanas Special Economic Zone will be the largest and most advanced industrial and commercial center in the English-speaking Caribbean.
Growth is also a key focus.
Sustained economic growth will end absolute poverty in Jamaica. Growth that reaches the farmer, who now has reliable irrigation, storage, and a market for his produce. Growth that strengthens our healthcare system, which in turn keeps our people well and productive. Growth where tourism is even more integrated in our economy. We will elevate the creative industries, music, film, fashion, art, and sports, transforming creativity into an engine of growth. The world already consumes our culture. Now we must realize the value from it, invest in it, and respect it as one of Jamaica's greatest exports.